The 1975 BMW 3 Series, internal code E21, introduced a landmark interior feature for the brand, the driver-focused cockpit. This design, which angled the center console and controls toward the driver for better ergonomics, remains a signature of BMW interiors today. Key interior features. Cockpit design. The center stack was tilted in an arc toward the driver, making vertically stacked controls easier to reach and read. Instrumentation. A clean instrument panel featured a mechanical speedometer, fuel level gauge, and coolant temperature indicator. A tachometer was standard on the 320, while a quartz clock was standard on the 316 and 318. Steering and controls. Equipped with a 4-spoke safety steering wheel featuring a large padded central boss. The 320i model received a foam-padded steering wheel rim for a more premium feel. Controls for the HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning were centrally located. Seating and materials. Front seats were slim, bolstered, and upholstered in cloth, while the dashboard and door cards were covered in black vinyl. Sportier seats with expandable leg support cushions were available as an option. The rear featured a bench seat that could accommodate up to 3 passengers. Standard and optional equipment. Manual window regulators and mechanical door locks were standard, with power windows available on higher trims. Stereos and cassette players were offered as optional equipment on the center stack.